Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to convert a PDF into a PowerPoint presentation using Canva. This is helpful for turning documents into editable slides that we can present or customize easily. On the Canva dashboard, we just need to upload the PDF file to Canva. Once the upload is finished, we will be taken to the editing section of the PDF. As we can see, there is a PDF at the top part of the file. To convert this into a PowerPoint presentation, we just need to click on Share. Then we need to click on Download. For the file type, we will choose PPTX, which is the Microsoft PowerPoint format. Next, we just need to click here to convert and download the file. Before we do that, it is important to note that a business plan is required. This feature is only available on Canva's paid plan. Once we have that, we just need to click here, and the file will be converted to PowerPoint. That is how we convert a PDF into a PowerPoint in Canva using just a few simple steps.